The target concept in SLD helps users organize their license activations. A target is a customer-defined container name which represents the real or virtual machine where product licenses will be installed associated with any locking parameters required for the license key. An example for a locking parameter would be the IP address. Go to the Entitlements page to see how targets are being used. When performing a license activation or an update to a higher version, a target needs to be provided. You can either use an existing or add a new target. Navigate to the Activations tab to see your activations associated with specific targets. Expand a target to access the activation. From here, you can download or email the license keys. Activations migrated from heritage portals were assigned system-generated target names that end with the suffix _MIG. These migrated targets do not contain any locking parameters. As mentioned earlier, targets are used in the context of license activations and updates to higher versions, but also in rehost scenarios. Moving a license from one machine to another is called rehosting. This is done on the Rehosts tab in the top menu. We recommend that any subsequent activations, rehosts, or updates are associated with new or customer-defined target names. Do not reuse the targets with the suffix _MIG. For products using cumulative licensing, where a single license key is being generated for the original product and additional quantity, it is important to activate the additional quantity on the same target as the original product. If you need help using the portal, please click on Contact Us Self-Help on the home page or on the top of every SLD page. You'll find helpful information there like FAQs, a quick start guide, links to all videos, and contact information of the License Delivery Center in your region. Click on Support Portal to search the knowledge base, subscribe for email updates about your products, open support cases, and manage your flexible credits.